Okay then, this is a very rare car, one that has stopped production in the UK now. It is the Audi A7, but this one is the S7 on a 2025 74, 14,000 miles, Mythos black metallic. This is a 3-litre diesel V6 engine, torquey, powerful, 350 brake horsepower, but also relatively fuel efficient. And this is the Vorsprung model, which is the top of the tree. It's a great colour combination, so that's Mythos black with black Valcona leather. It's got 21-inch RS design wheels, it's got opening roof. The Vorsprung model giving you head-up display, heated wheel, heated seats, air suspension, all-wheel steering providing a really good drive, and of course it is a Quattro Sportback, so 4-wheel drive technology. It does everything for me, this car. Warranty with Audi until 2028. One owner from new, great condition, but it's a very rare animal indeed, and it'll provide someone with an unbelievable driver, high specification. And look at the interior. So Bang & Olufsen stereo, the Vorsprung is fully loaded. It really is. You've got the quilted diamond seats, head-up display. It's even got dash cams front and rear. So the first keeper and the only keeper of this vehicle has really cherished it and looked after it. It's rare. It's going on the website now. If you're interested, give us a call straight away. Things like carbon mirrors, really nice feature. What I love about this is, I think the style of the A7 and the shape of the A7 has always been very sleek and sporty. And if you want a great car to drive every day, which is very practical because it is obviously a 5-door, it's got soft closed doors as well. Black edition car, so black window surrounds, fully black throughout the car, and HD matrix lights front and rear. You'll have seen that when I started the video. We've got sweeping indicators. The lighting system in these cars is incredible, and really the back end is my favorite part of this car because of, you know, the way it looks and the slope of the rear. Into the back, obviously, because of the longness of this vehicle, you've got a big boot, you've got assisted tailgate, you've got privacy glass. It's stunning. It's really stunning. 4-wheel drive, air suspension, all-wheel steering, you know, and there's so much space in it as well. Being the S7, you've got the sportier seat, so the bigger, larger sport seat. If you also look into the door here, very comfortable in this car. You've got the carbon twill, so the inserts into this car are carbon, but the twill carbon, Bang & Olufsen stereo. And the Vorsprung model is giving you every option. So city assist package, so lots of safety features. Tour package, which gives you the adaptive cruise, lane assist. Basically a self-driving vehicle in essence, if you want it to be. Lovely car. 14,000 miles, one owner from new. So, you know, 5 seconds 0 to 60, I think it's 344 brake horsepower in its entirety. But being a diesel, and if you've ever jumped in one of these diesel performance Audis, they have a really unique sound to them. It's like a whirry noise. It sounds great. And when you drive it, it's got a real grunt to it, plenty of torque and power. Now then, options in this car, which you maybe not pick out and notice, we've got electric seats with driver memory, the B&O stereo. We've got puddle lights to entry level with the Vorsprung design. We've got stainless steel pedals, which are a nice feature, a sporty feature. I've mentioned the carbon twill and head-up display. We've then got adaptive cruise with lane assist, switchable from down here. We've got electric steering column, so you can move the steering wheel up and down electrically, self-explanatory. Switchable driver cockpit, haptic touchscreen infotainment, which is simple to use. And we can then go into the camera system. So we've got top view camera, reversing camera, and because it's the technology that Audi have I think they introduced this technology first before anyone else. You've got the full surround view 3D camera system. Heated front seats, you've even got heated wheels, so we can go into a third setting on this climate control screen. I'll just take that off there, put it in the park. And there's your heated wheel. Obviously your climate control is all digitalised. Now another important feature which I've mentioned as I've walked around the car a couple of times, the car's got air suspension, so as you toggle through the different drive modes, it raises and lowers the car. You can tailor and individualise the driver settings, but in dynamic mode it lowers to the ground, it handles really nicely, sounds great, and it is a great car. Full switchable ambient lighting. We've even got wireless phone charging under the armrest, 2 keys, and you've got your Audi little card to log into the Audi Connect app and control most of the features on this car. Sliding sunroof, and we've even got, like I mentioned, front and rear dash cams for insurance and safety features. It's a great car. It's a rare car. It's on the website now. Got a great look to it, and it's a great price, which provides you with the benefit of breakdown assistance and Audi warranty until 2028. But That's Europe-wide as well. And just some things that I haven't pointed out to the front. So Matrix HD lights, but this car has the newer front end that Audi did. So this different grille with the sort of gloss black inserts throughout the honeycomb and the gloss black badging. It's a really great looking car. It's on the website now. If you're interested, my name's Richard. My number's on the screen. Very shortly, give me a call. Thanks for watching.